Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and making both phones discoverable. This is required for device pairing. Once done, open Shareit and grant any storage or location permissions so transfers can access files. Make one device the sender and the other the receiver in the app now. You're beginning the direct link. It speeds discovery and avoids Wi-Fi hotspots. If Shareit asks to switch connection methods, allow Bluetooth pairing to proceed, so the app can negotiate a transfer channel between devices. Now pair devices via the Bluetooth settings if Shareit didn't automatically connect. Tap the other device's name and accept the pairing code. Once paired, return to Shareit on the sender and select the files you want to share. You can pick photos, videos, apps, or documents. You should check file sizes so transfers don't stall. After selection, hit send. The app will search the paired receiver. Make sure the receiver is in receive mode and visible inside Shareit to accept the incoming transfer. Accept the incoming send on the receiver and monitor the progress bar until completion. Keep screens unlocked during the transfer. Once files arrive, check them in the Shareit received folder to confirm integrity. If the transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart Shareit on both devices, then retry. Simple resets fix most pairing glitches. If problems persist, make sure there's enough free storage, or switch to Shareit's Wi-Fi direct mode, because it's faster and more reliable than Bluetooth for large files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.